Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to upload an HTML file to WordPress, and we are going to keep this under 2 minutes. You've probably already noticed that if you try to upload an HTML file directly to your media library, you get a frustrating security error. WordPress blocks these file types by default to keep your site safe. But the steps to bypass this are actually simple steps and relate closely to how you manage your overall site files. The absolute best and most common way to do this, especially if you are uploading a Google Search Console verification file or a standalone landing page, is directly through your web hosting control panel. Just log into your cPanel, click on File Manager, and open your public_HTML folder. This is the root directory of your website. From there, simply click the Upload button at the top of the screen, select your specific HTML file, and drop it right into that folder. Once the upload finishes, your file is live on your domain immediately. Now, if you really don't want to leave your WordPress dashboard, the second approach is just as easy and relates perfectly to that first method. Go over to your Plugins menu, click Add New, and search for the WordPress File Manager plugin. Install and activate it. This plugin essentially builds a mini cPanel right inside your WordPress admin area. Once it's active, click on WP File Manager in your left-hand menu, make sure you are in your public root folder, and then simply drag and drop your HTML file directly into that file list. It bypasses the media library restrictions entirely. That is literally it. 2 very fast ways to get your HTML files live without messing with complex back-end code. If this quick video saved you some time, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software and tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how this works in a different page builder. See you in the next video.